As tech prices soar and tariffs continue to rage, AMD has taken a bold step forward, debuting its more affordable Ryzen 8000 HX series mobile processors designed specifically for gaming laptops, an ideal move in a market where no one wants to spend more than necessary. These new chips, dubbed the Dragon Range Refresh, follow in the footsteps of last year's Ryzen 7000 HX series and land just beneath the premium Ryzen 9 9955HX, Ryzen 9 9850HX, and the cutting-edge Ryzen 9 9955HX3D, which launched alongside AMD's Zen 5 architecture. However, don't expect Zen 5 here. The Ryzen 8000 HX lineup continues using the tried-and-tested Zen 4 architecture, just like its 7000 HX predecessor. And yes, that also means no neural processing unit or NPU on board. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite sticking to Zen 4, the 8000 HX chips still bring immense power to the table, boasting up to 16 cores and 32 threads with thermal design power ranging from 45 to 75 watts, and a standard default of 55W, ideal for high-performance laptops that push boundaries. Fabricated using TSMC's 5nm process, these CPUs remain incredibly efficient and ready for intense workloads. In a strategic move to shake things up, AMD is phasing out the older 6-core Ryzen 5 7645HX and replacing it with a more robust 8-core Ryzen 7 8745HX, a decision that ensures gamers and creators alike get more cores, more performance, and more value. But wait, there's more! According to AMD, the Ryzen 8000 HX refresh isn't just about minor tweaks. It's designed to pair with newer, more powerful discrete GPUs, opening the door for even more gaming and creative potential in modern laptops. While integrated graphics are still part of the package, with the Ryzen 610M featuring 2 RDNA 2 cores in side models like the 8945HX, don't expect them to replace a proper gaming GPU anytime soon. OEMs will still need to bundle in discrete GPUs for serious graphical horsepower. And let's not overlook the next-gen support that comes standard with these chips. Ryzen 8000 HX processors fully support DDR5 SATA memory and offer 28 lanes of PCIe 5.0, giving users faster data transfer speeds, enhanced bandwidth, and future-ready connectivity. This launch represents AMD's effort to offer budget-conscious gamers a pathway into high-end gaming laptops without breaking the bank, at a time when economic concerns and rising import tariffs make affordability a top priority. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or a gamer looking for performance without overspending, the Ryzen 8000 HX series delivers a compelling mix of efficiency, core muscle, and next-gen compatibility. AMD's ability to deliver performance with value continues to shake up the industry, and this refresh is proof that even mid-tier chips can bring high-tier results when engineered smartly. As the battle for mobile dominance rages on, AMD's Ryzen 8000 HX lineup ensures that more gamers than ever can jump into action with reliable firepower under the hood. This is not just a product update. It's a clear sign that AMD is listening to the market, innovating where it counts, and ensuring that gamers don't have a compromise on performance just because of pricing pressures. With their smart design, efficient architecture, and readiness for powerful GPU pairings, the Ryzen 8000 HX chips are shaping up to be the go-to choice for the next wave of gaming notebooks. And as AMD continues refining its mobile offerings, consumers win with better performance, lower costs, and more freedom of choice. Stay tuned for more updates like this. And remember, you're watching TechVerse, your source for everything cutting-edge in tech.